The brave little parrot. In a lush green jungle, a bright green parrot named Piku loved to chat and sing. He lived high in the trees, safe and happy. One day, while flying over the jungle, he saw something terrible. A fire had started near the river bank. The animals panicked. Help! Help! Cried the deer. The monkeys scattered in fear. Even the mighty tiger looked worried. Piku knew he had to do something. He quickly flew to the river, dipped his tiny wings in the water, and flapped them over the fire. A few drops fell sizzle, but the fire was too big. The other animals laughed. Piku, you are too small. You can stop the fire. But Piku didn't stop. Again and again he carried water, refusing to give up. High above, the rain god saw Piku's bravery. Such a tiny bird with such a big heart, he said. Moved by Piku's courage, the sky darkened, and soon heavy rain poured down, putting out the fire. The jungle cheered. The tiger bowed to Piku and said, You are the bravest of all. Piku smiled, knowing that even the smallest creatures can do great things.